Hi, welcome back to All About Weddings. My name's Bill. I'm part of the team here at Ridgeway. We're one of the UK's busiest wedding venues. We're going to share with you today's highlights of one of our last weddings. Hopefully you'll get some inspiration for your own planning journey. Lots of tips and tricks, new ideas. We post content virtually every other day. So if you get some value from this video, maybe you consider liking, subscribing and hitting the notification bell. I'm sure there'll be something for everybody who are on their planning journey. Enjoy!